Hello everybody, my name is Katarina Gonchar. I'm international trainer in Magnetic Nail Academy, and today I want to show you the most easiest way to do beautiful ombre design. We will do it with AirNails system by Magnetic. I will use today glitter gel polish, colors for airbrushing. It's transparent color, number 50, blueberry. Design what we will do today will be popular for some parties or Christmas time, or even for summer parties, for all our clients who like to shine like a star. I applied already gel polish on my tips. I cured it, removed sticky layer and buffed them, because we need to buff our surface before we will apply AirNails paints. For ombre on 10 nails, you need only 2 drops of AirNail paints. And now we start. It's very important that you apply color in a thin layer. And now you can see how beautiful it looks. I will apply Supreme Finish Improved. And you can see what beautiful effect we get. Curing time for Supreme Finish is 1.5 minutes. And now you can see end result. Thank you for watching us, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.